In the last part, we have discussed what is tense, and we have seen refers to time. The English noun tense comes from the old French tense, time, from Latin tempus. So the tense, the origin of the word tense comes from the old French word tense, T-E-N-S, which again means time, and also from the Latin tempus, which also means time. It is not related to the adjective tense, which comes from Latin tenses. So tempus means time, but Latin tenses is an adjective tense. The perfect passive participle of tendere or stretch. So what we ultimately understand that the word tense, the origin of the word tense is the old French tense, which means time, and also the Latin tempus, which again means time. We all know, you have studied, you have read in your school days that there are three types of tense. Verb forms denote three time, that the present time, the past time, and the future time. To start with the present tense, let us discuss the different kinds of present tenses one by one. To begin with, simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to denote scientific facts, universal truths, and work done on daily basis. So, scientific facts, example, we can say the earth rotates on its axis. You cannot change the tense of this sentence because this is a scientific or a universal truth. Universal truth, the example will be like milk is white, birds fly, or the things you do on a regular basis. Those are habitual action. Like I go for morning walk, I eat rice in the morning, I go to school by bus. So these are the different examples that will express simple present tense. And I have shown how the sentences usually form: subject plus the base form of verb plus s or es, you have to add with the verb, plus object. Like she writes a letter, the negative rule will be she does not write a letter, and the interrogative sentence will be does she write a letter. Next come present continuous tense. It is used to express an action taking place at the time of speaking. What I am doing at this moment. I am speaking to you. So, this sentence that I am speaking to you, am speaking, shows that the action is taking place right now at this moment. She is writing a letter. If somebody says that she is writing a letter, that means at the moment of speaking, that girl is writing a letter. The negative sentence will be she is not writing a letter, and the interrogative sentence will be is she writing a letter. After continuous tense, let us look at the present perfect tense. It is used to show an action that had started in the past and has just finished. It's very important. The action had already started in the past. It's been some time. But it has finished just now. Therefore, it is a present perfect tense. She has written a letter. So we need to understand that she is not writing now. She has written a letter. Maybe she started writing a letter 15 minutes ago, or half an hour ago, or 1 hour ago, and now she has finished writing the letter. Then present perfect continuous tense. This tense shows the action which started in the past and is still continuing. A very common sentence. Let's take for an example. It has been raining since morning. All of you are aware of this sentence. Maybe you have written so many times also. So, since morning, that means the action has started quite long back. Now it's evening, but it is still raining. So in these cases, we need to use present perfect continuous tense, where the action had already started in the past and is still continuing. We don't know when it is going to stop.